Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video, I am going to be exposing the exact strategy that I use to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from meme coins. And none of it came from trading alone. Most people watching this video right now are on the wrong side of the market. They are trading meme coins and giving their money to the devs. But me, I am on the other side. I am launching these coins, hoping for you to buy my coin, and then I cash out and I make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month from creating borrow coins. That's exactly why I switched, and that's exactly why into this video I am showing you the full method live on camera for free. I will show you how to find narratives, how to turn them into meme coins, and then how to fully cash out. Everything will be done in this video with a real life example. Nothing is fake. I do not sell a course. I am fully transparent. Bro, just look at my Phantom wallet. I know what I'm talking about. I've made a bunch of money from deving, so keep watching, bro. I'm the only guy that can teach you how to dev because I do not sell a course, nothing. I'm fully transparent. Now here's exactly why deving meme coins is a play in 2026. You guys need to realize that 90% of all meme coins, when they get no more attention, they just die out and they go to zero. There is no such thing as a coin that pumps forever. They will eventually pump and then dump. For example, this coin right here basically pumped and dumped, and the dev maybe made thousands of dollars. All we do as devs is we launch coins using viral narratives. It could be any type of narrative. We launch it, we create it, we wait for people to buy in, and then when the volume is drying out and the market cap is extremely high, we just sell our supply little by little or all at once, and that's exactly how we clip profits as devs. We make money from our supply, and also we make money from every single transaction coming in our coin, whether it's a buy or sell, because we make money from the fees. That's insane as devs. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to start and create your meme coin, okay? How to find narratives, how to launch it, everything. I will do a live launch. I will walk you through every single step of the way. And by the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This entire video was purely made for educational purposes only. Keep that in mind. Although I do actually make money from this method, it's all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. Capsh. Now here is exactly where I make my meme coins to maximize the profits on every single coin that I make and to maximize the reach, like that people can actually see and buy my coin. I do not make my coins on Pump.Fun. This DEX is absolutely cooked. There's like hundreds of thousands of coins launching here every single day, and let me just state the facts. All meme coins on Pump.Fun, they go nowhere, okay? Most of the time they will get no buyers, okay, and you will just end up losing your time. And yeah, so do not launch here. You can try to launch on Pump.Fun, but yeah, you're just wasting your time. Instead, bro, I launch my coins on Raydium. Raydium is 100 times better than Pump.Fun because your coins reach way more people and it gains more credibility for new traders or for advanced traders. Like for example, this coin right here got migrated on Raydium like 8 minutes ago and it's going absolutely insane. So for that exact reason, we launch our coins on Raydium. Now to make a coin here, bro, you have two different ways to do that. You could either create a coin on Pump.Fun and just hope for that coin to reach a $27,000 market cap for it to go to Raydium, but that's impossible. Okay, $27,000 is really hard from a Pump.Fun meme coin. So instead, bro, use the website called launchmemes.io. By launching here, bro, your coin will be immediately migrated to Raydium. It will reach a bunch of people, and that's exactly what we're doing every single day to make money as devs. Now here's exactly how to actually create or launch a meme coin on launchmemes.io. You have multiple strategies and it's up to you to choose which one that you want to use, okay, or try out. Now you could either create a coin just like Pump.Fun, custom made, okay. This is pretty simple. You just need a name, ticker, and image, simple as that. Or you can turn tweets into meme coins. So this takes a lot of patience and a lot of ball knowledge, but it can be insanely profitable because imagine like Elon Musk made a tweet, you could be the first one to create that coin, and that could print you a lot of money. But I would highly recommend copying trending coins, which is the third method. Basically guys, every single meme coin here is going viral, okay, on Pump.Fun, and instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, you can just copy one, okay, that is already working. So for example, if this one is going viral already, we're going to be copying this one back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers using that narrative. Let's do a live launch to see how much I can make right now from a vamp. So first of all, bro, just make sure your Phantom wallet is well connected just to interact with the blockchain, and then now copy a coin. When I approach vamping meme coins, I just go for a random one and I copy it, okay? I have nothing to lose, just copy a coin. I'm gonna go for this one right here, Gary. Why not? I chose it completely from randomness. Click on copy the Raydium, your Phantom is going to show up, right? Just ignore that block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be actually minted on Solana. By the way, that warning is completely normal, just ignore it, right? Every launchpad for Raydium has that warning, boom. And then now, if you want to go and soul scan, you can. But yeah, here's the proof that it's on chain, it's legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here, just follow along, it's really easy, okay? Don't overcomplicate the steps. Basically, for the supply right here, click on 90%. For the dev buy, okay, this is important. Put anywhere in between 0.3 SOL to 1 Solana. Anywhere in between that is perfect. You are not going to lose this Solana. It's really important to put some SOL here, like that you can have supply as a dev, and if the coin gets buyers, for example, well, you make money, okay, your bags get more valuable. And once you remove the liquidity pool, you will get this back alongside all the profit, okay? So click on create pool, your Phantom will show up, just ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live and people will be able to buy your coin. Bro, it's really simple, just follow these steps and it's easy, right? And now let's see if people are buying in. That is the most important part. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's live. Yeah, let's go see our chart. Let's go see if people are aping in. Since it is on Raydium, it should start pumping soon. Bang! It's pumping, as you guys can see, 2 green candles. Oh my god, people are buying in left and right. Yeah, let's go see how much we're up. Click on refresh, and yeah, we're up $173 right now within like 10 seconds. Guys, I'm telling you, the potential of deving is insane. I have some people in my Discord making thousands of dollars. It's absolutely insane. Obviously, I cannot guarantee you anything, but what I can guarantee you is that if you stay consistent long enough and you launch and launch and launch, it can pay off over time. As you guys can see, people are buying in, and now all you have to do is just let your coin ride up. And yeah, I'm gonna be right back after the time lapse to see how much. Alright guys, I am back. It was a good run, even though the coin is down a lot. Guess what? We farmed a lot of creator fees. Every single buy and sell, we make money from that. So let's cash out our supply, and let's see how much we made within like 10 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Come back to launch memes.io, click on refresh, and then as you guys can see, we're up $2.5 thousand. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore that block button or that block warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then it should be fully cashed out in our name, in our wallet. Bang! We just cashed out everything, guys. And before you guys say cap, bang, $2.49 thousand straight inside our Phantom wallet for educational purposes only, obviously. Now if you want to start deving just like me, guys, launch memes.io will be linked down below, guys. All you have to do is just stay consistent. That's the only tip I have for you guys. Stay consistent, launch. Peace out.